Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to convert speech to text in Windows. So now what I will do is I will just try to open the notepad. So now I will try to press the shortcut key. Let's try to press the shortcut key, Windows key plus H simultaneously. So now I will try to speak whatever I can so that it will convert voice to text. Okay, so now let's try to press this option. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here you can see that whatever I'm talking, it is converting into the text. So if you want to convert the speech to text means you can press the shortcut key, Windows key plus H simultaneously. So you can convert whatever you speak that will be converted to the text. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.